Hello everyone, welcome back to Kota Education Career Point. Today we are going to discuss about previous year sanitary inspector question paper. So let's begin with question number 1. Which one of the following nutrient provide more energy? Option 1 is 1 gram carbohydrate, option 2 is 1 gram fat, option 3 is 1 gram protein and option 4 is 1 gram vitamin. So the correct answer is 1 gram fat. Question number 2 is components of ICDS scheme are option 1 is supplementary nutrition, option 2 is immunization, option 3 is health checkup, option 4 is all of the above. So the correct answer is option 4, that is all of the above. Question number 3 is according to ICMR 210, 1 microgram beta carotene after conversion will be equal to, so option 1 is 6 mu G retinol, 8 mu G retinol, option 3 is 10 mu G retinol, option 4 is 12 mu G retinol. So the correct answer is option 2, that is 8 mu G retinol. Question number 4 is pigeon chest is the symptom of which deficiency disease? Option 1 is rickets, option 2 malaria, option 3 night blindness, option 4 is anemia. So the correct answer is option 1, that is rickets. Question number 5 is rich source of vitamin C are option 1 fresh fruits, option 2 cereals, option 3 pulses and option 4 is milk. So the correct answer is option 1, that is fresh fruits. Question 6 is according to ICMR 210, the amount of kg body weight required by infants 0 to 6 months per day are. So the correct option is, option 1 is 92 kcal, option 2 is 100 kcal, option 3 is 108 kcal, option 4 is 120 kcal. So the correct answer is option 1, that is 92 kcal. Question number 7 is which of the following is needed by bacteria to assist its growth and multiplication? Option 1 is water, option 2 is food, option 3 is suitable temperature and option 4 is all of the above. So the correct answer is option 4, that is all of the above. Question number 8 is the most important parts of treatment of diarrhea are. Option 1 is to prevent dehydration from occurring if possible, option 2 to treat dehydration quickly if it does occur, option 3 is to feed the child, option 4 all of the above. So the correct answer is option 4, that is all of the above. Question number 9 is disease which is caused by protein energy malnutrition is. Option 1 tuberculosis, option 2 is kwashiorkor, option 3 is fever and option 4 is malaria. So the correct answer is option 2, that is kwashiorkor. Question number 10 is oral rehydration salt ORS solution therapy is used for the treatment of. Option 1 is constipation, option 2 is ulcer, option 3 is obesity and option 4 is diarrhea. So the correct answer is option 4, that is diarrhea. Question number 11 is dengue fever is an outbreak prone viral disease transmitted by. Option 1 is Aedes mosquitoes, option 2 is Plasmodium falciparum, option 3 is Anopheles culciferacea, option 4 is N. fluviatiasis. So the correct answer is option A, that is Aedes mosquitoes. Question number 12 is polio virus entered in the body through. Option 1 is mosquito bite, option 2 is infected food and water, option 3 is cough, option D is dog bite. So the correct answer is option 2, that is infected food and water. Question number 13 is which of the following is not a problem of pregnancy? Option 1 is nausea and vomiting, option 2 is teeth decay, option 3 is constipation and option 4 is edema. So the correct answer is option 2, that is teeth decay. Question number 14 is cretinism is a disorder in children born to mother who had a deficiency during adolescence and pregnancy of option 1 is calcium, option 2 iron, option 3 phosphorus and option D is iodine. So the correct answer is option iodine. Question number 15 is Integrated Child Development Scheme ICDS was started on option 1 is 2nd July 1975, option 2 2nd August 1975, option 3 is 2nd September 1975, option 4 is 2 October 1975. So the correct answer is 2nd October 1975. Question number 16 is tuberculosis is an infectious disease caused by option 1 is Salmonella bacteria, option 2 is Bacillus mycobacterium, option 3 is E. coli, option 4 is virus. So the correct answer is option 2, that is Bacillus mycobacterium. Question number 17 is dash is involved for exchange of nutrients, oxygen and waste products between the mother and the fetus during pregnancy. Option 1 is placenta, option 2 is fallopian tube, option 3 is neutral baby, option 4 is none of the above. So the correct answer is option 1, that is placenta. Question number 18 is according to ICMR 210, additional calories and protein respectively required for an expectant mother. Option 1 is 650 kcal, option 2 550 kcal, option 3 450 kcal, option 4 350 kcal. So the correct answer is 350 kcal. Question number 19, the important minerals within bones are option 1 is calcium phosphate and chloride, option 2 is calcium phosphate and iron, option 3 phosphate, magnesium and chloride, option 4 is calcium phosphate and magnesium. So the correct answer is calcium phosphate and magnesium. Question number 20 is the chest in normal nourished child growth faster than head during the option 1 first year of life, option 2 second and third year of life, option 3 is adulthood, option 4 is none of the above. So the correct answer is second and third year of life. Question number 21 is iodine deficiency in mother during pregnancy can lead to option 1 is low birth weight, option 2 anemia, option 3 PEM, option 4 is cretinism and psychomotor defect. So the correct answer is cretinism and psychomotor defect. Question number 22 is ELISA test is used for the detection of option 1 is hypertension, option 2 diabetes, option 3 AIDS and option 4 is obesity. So the correct answer is option 3, that is AIDS. Question number 23 is disorder involves repeated or chronic ingestion of non-nutrient substances which may include plaster, charcoal, clay, ashes, etc. is known as option 1 is pica, option 2 is mica, option 3 is PEM, option 4 is PIH. So the correct answer is option 1, that is pica. Question number 24 is which of the following is not a monosaccharide? Option 1 is lactose, option 2 glucose, option 3 galactose, option 4 fructose. So the correct answer is option 1, that is lactose. Question number 25 is children in the age of 1 to 5 years of ICDS receive 2 lakhs IU of vitamin A solution orally every. Option 1 is 3 months, option 2 is 4 months, option 3 is 6 months and option 4 is 9 months. So the correct answer is option 3, that is 6 months. Question number 26 is beriberi is the deficiency disorder associated with which vitamin? Option 1 is thiamine, option 2 niacin, option 3 riboflavin, option D pantothenic acid. So the correct answer is option A, that is thiamine. Question number 27 is in India the suggested weight gain during pregnancy is option 1 4 to 6 kg, option 2 5 to 6 kg, option 3 11 to 13 kg and option 4 is 15 to 25 kg. So the correct answer is 11 to 13 kg. Question number 28 is which of the following cannot be prevented by antibiotics? Option 1 is measles, option 2 is tetanus, option 3 is leprosy, and option 4 is cholera. So the correct answer is option 1, that is measles. Question number 29 is influenza is an acute infection of short duration spread from person to person by contact inhalation of option 1 is bacteria, option 2 virus, option 3 fungi, option 4 is algae. So the correct answer is option 2, that is virus. Question number 30 is the dash refers to the time from fertilization through the development of the early embryo until implantation is completed in the uterus. Option 1 is embryonic stage, option 2 is germinal stage, option 3 is fetal stage, option 4 is infancy stage. So the correct answer is option 2, that is germinal stage. Question number 31 is which one of the following is not symptom of marasmus? Option 1 is moon face, option 2 muscle wasting, option 3 growth retardation, and option 4 is wrinkled skin. So the correct answer is option 1, that is moon face. Question number 32 is DPT vaccine is used to prevention of option 1 is polio, diphtheria and tetanus, option 2 is diphtheria, whooping cough and tetanus, option 3 tetanus, tuberculosis and polio, option 4 is diphtheria, typhoid and tetanus. So the correct answer is diphtheria, whooping cough and tetanus. Question number 33 is which one of the following pair is wrong? Option 1 rabies dog, option 2 plague rat, option 3 tapeworm pig, option 4 polio monkey. So the correct answer is polio monkey. Question number 34 is an average daily milk production of lactating mother is option 1 is 650 ml, option 2 is 450 ml, option 3 350 ml, option 4 250 ml. So the correct answer is option 1, that is 650 ml. Question number 35 is a healthy child doubles his weight by the age of option 1 is 2 years, option 2 2.5 years, option 3 1 year, option 4 6 months. So the correct answer is option 4, that is 6 months. Question number 36, vitamin D prevents option 1 rickets, option 2 osteomalacia, option 3 osteoporosis, option 4 all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. Question number 37 is the number of babies dying in the first year of life per 1000 lives birth is known as option 1 is infant morbidity rate, option 2 is infant mortality rate, option 3 maternal mortality rate, option 4 maternal morbidity rate. So the correct answer is infant mortality rate. Question number 38 is which classification identifies type and duration of malnutrition? Option 1 is Comex classification, option 2 is IAP classification, option 3 is Waterloo classification, option 4 Wellcome classification. So the correct answer is option 3, that is Waterloo classification. Question number 39 is additional protein required during pregnancy is essential for option 1 rapid growth of fetus, option 2 the enlargement of the uterus, option 3 formation of amniotic fluid, option 4 is all of the above. So the correct answer is option 4, that is all of the above. Question number 40 is the beneficiaries of ICDS scheme is option 1 is children in the age group of 0 to 6 years, option 2 pregnant women, option 3 lactating mothers, and option 4 is all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. Question number 41 is energy need during pregnancy increase because of the additional energy required for the option 1 is growth and physical activity of fetus, option 2 growth of placenta, option 3 increase in maternal body, option 4 is all of the above. So the correct answer is option 4, all of the above. Question number 42 is cholera and diarrhea are caused by option 1 is viral infection, option 2 is bacterial infection, option 3 worms, and option 4 is protozoa. So the correct answer is option 2, that is bacterial infection. Question number 43 is vegetarian mothers have more chance to getting the deficiency of option 1 is vitamin C, option 2 vitamin A, option 3 vitamin B12, and option 4 is iron. So the correct answer is option 3, that is vitamin B12. Question number 44 is skin fold calipers measured the thickness of option 1 protein layer, option 2 fat layers, option 3 carbohydrate layers, option 4 water layers. So the correct answer is option 2, that is fat layers. Question number 45 is stiffness is characterized by option 1 is muscle rigidity and painful muscle spasms, option 2 stiffness and pain often begin in the jaw muscles, option 3 pain abdominal muscle, option 4 all of the above. So the correct answer is option 4, that is all of the above. Question number 46 is which of the following vaccine given as birth dose within 24 hours for institutional deliveries? Option 1 is HIV, option 2 is hepatitis B, option 3 is pneumonia, option 4 is lymphocyte. So the correct answer is option B, that is hepatitis B. Question number 47 is during the first 2 or 3 days watery and yellowish fluid that comes from the mammary gland होगा ये, differs from the regular milk and called. Option 1 is special milk, option 2 is brown milk, option 3 is colostrum, option 4 is cholesterol. So the correct answer is option 3, that is colostrum. Question number 48 is 25th February 2012, WHO removed India from the global list of option 1 is measles endemic countries, option 2 polio endemic countries, option 3 tuberculosis endemic countries, option 4 is tetanus endemic countries. So the correct answer is option 2, that is polio endemic countries. Question number 49 is green leafy vegetables and fresh fruits are the poor source of option 1 protein, option 2 vitamin B1, option 3 is vitamin C and option 4 is iron. So the correct answer is option 1, that is protein. Question number 50 is which program comes under the umbrella of National Rural Health Mission? Option 1 is iodine deficiency disorder control programs, option 2 vitamin B deficiency disorder control programs, option 3 is vitamin C deficiency disorder control programs, option 4 is calcium deficiency disorder control program. So the correct answer is iodine deficiency disorder control program, that means option 1. Question number 51 is which factor affect the low birth weight of fetus? Option 1 is age of the mother, option 2 improper and inadequate parental care of the mother, option 3 is both of the above, option 4 is none of the above. So the correct answer is option 3, that is both of the above. Question number 52 is a child who is shorter than expected age of group is known as. Option 1 is fasting, option 2 is stunning, option 3 is underweight, option 4 is overweight. So the correct answer is stunning. Question number 53 is which of the following factor affect the fetal growth during pregnancy? Option 1 infection, option 2 nutrition, option 3 is genetic and option 4 is all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. Question number 54 is NHRM stands for option 1 is National Health Mission, option 2 is National Rural Health Mission, option 3 is National Reproductive Health Mission, option 4 is National Regional Health Mission. So the correct answer is National Rural Health Mission. Question number 55 is newborns lose heat rapidly after birth, so it's necessary to keep birth room temperature. Option 1 at least 15 degrees Celsius, option 2 is at least 25 degrees Celsius, option 3 at least 35 degrees Celsius, option 4 is at least 45 degrees Celsius. So the correct answer is at least 25 degrees Celsius. So that's it for today guys. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe Kota Education Career Point channel for regular updates for different paramedical examination and press bell icon for further details. Thank you so much.